The ZLAS series is a high-efficiency air-cooled module cold water unit from Zero. It is designed and manufactured according to industry standards to ensure high performance and high reliability. The series products are compact in shape, reasonable in layout, convenient in use and maintenance. The whole series of units have reached the National Energy Saving Product Standards, providing comfortable air conditioning environment for villas, office buildings, factories, supermarkets, and many other occasions. The free cooling type unit directly obtains refrigerating capacity from the external low-temperature air in transition seasons and winters, so as to obtain low-temperature water. In the whole process, only the fan consumes electric energy, and the compressor runs under partial load or else stops running completely, saving energy consumption by more than 90%, greatly reducing the operating cost of the unit and bringing higher economic benefits to customers. It can be widely used in data centers, communication rooms, metallurgy, electronics, pharmacy, chemical industries, and other places that need refrigerating capacity all year round.